Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be replacing the screen on the Asus 425 Mauritanian UBS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. If you don't have these tools at hand, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep the screws organized. It's helpful to use a magnetic mat. Once the back panel is off, gently disconnect the battery cable. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues while working on the laptop. Next, locate the screen assembly screws. These are typically found around the perimeter of the screen. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. After unscrewing, use the plastic prying tool to separate the screen from the bezel gently. Be cautious here, applying too much force can damage the screen or the frame. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that might have been missed. Once the screen is detached, you'll see the display cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully detach this cable by lifting the connector latch. If you need assistance, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's securely fastened before proceeding. Next, align the new screen with the bezel and press it gently into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the screen. Before putting the back panel on, it's a good idea to power on the laptop and check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything is working well, power it down again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Don't forget to reconnect the battery cable as well. As you finish up, ensure that all screws are tightened but not overly so, as this can lead to damage. If you find any residual dust or debris inside, take a moment to clean it out with a soft brush or compressed air. Finally, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself or if you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair services. Our team can help you without any hassle, no calls, no travel, just straightforward service right from your home. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus 425 Mauritanian UBS laptop. Enjoy your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.